In the last video, we had studied about the detailed structure of a prokaryotic cell. Now the eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell is the advance over the prokaryotic cell. Advanced cell. It includes the four kingdom like Protista, second fungi, third plenty, fourth animalia. First is the Protista, second is the fungi, third is the plenty, fourth is the animalia. It may be unicellular and multicellular. Unicellular made up of one cell, multicellular made up of two cells. The kingdom Protista mostly unicellular eukaryotes. It is the connecting link between the monera and fungi, plenty and animalia. This question is very important. What is the Protista? Protista are the unicellular eukaryotes. ये लिंक का काम कर रहा है मोनरा और किसके बीच में? आपका फंजाई, प्लेंटी और एनिमलिया. प्लांट और एनिमल सेल्स दे आर बेसिकली मल्टीसेल्युलर, बट फंजाई इज द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ बोथ. फंजाई may be unicellular or multicellular. The example of the unicellular fungi is the yeast, and rest are the fungi are multicellular. Now, the eukaryotic cell is the advance over the prokaryotic cell. Advance over prokaryotic cell is due to one, the presence of the nucleus. Second, membrane bound cell organelles. You also have studied about the membrane bound cell organelles in the lower classes. These membrane bound cell organelles are of three types. First of all, we consider the name of these cell organelles. One is without membrane. Second is the single membrane. Third is the double membrane. Without membrane cell organelle you have studied in the prokaryotic cell also. The example of without membrane cell organelle is the ribosome. Second is also without membrane cell organelle. It is called centriole. The single membrane cell organelles include first of all endoplasmic reticulum, it is also called ER. It gives rise to birth Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus gives rise to birth to lysosomes. Golgi apparatus also result in the formation of vacuole. यानी कि these are the four cell organelles, many others more, like the cilia and flagella. They are the related to each other. They are related to each other, so they form endomembrane system. Endomembrane system. In addition to their other cell organelle like the flagella, cilia, etc. The double membrane cell organelles are the three cell organelle. One is the nucleus, that is the master cell organelle. chloroplast. Chloroplast is found in the plant only. Third, the double membrane cell organelle is the mitochondria present in both plant and animal. Now we consider the animal cell. What are the characteristics of the eukaryotic cell, that is the animal? Animal cell mostly have the rounded in shape. Different cell, animal cell is the rounded in shape. It includes all these cell organelles. First, this is the mostly it is a rounded in shape. The outermost boundary of the animal cell, this is the animal cell. Animal cell. This is the outermost layer, it is called plasma membrane. There is a typical tube plasma membrane is present in the eukaryotic cell. It is made up of phospholipid and proteins. The outermost membrane of the animal cell is the plasma membrane. और ये हमेशा एनिमल सेल में कैसी होती है? आउटर, मेड अप ऑफ फॉस्फोलिपिड एंड प्रोटीन. इट हैव द सेंट्रली प्लेस्ड organelle. It is called nucleus. The nucleus is the double membrane cell organelle. But both the membranes are not continuous. It is the double membrane cell organelle, but both are not continuous due to the presence of pore. This is the ectokaryotheca, karyo word for nucleus. Second, it is the endokaryotheca. The space present between the perinuclear space this ground substance is called nucleoplasma. In the nucleoplasma, there are thread-like structure are present in the coiled form. There is a thread-like structure present in the coiled form. It is called chromatic. Chromatic. The chromatin is the condensed. These are the condensed balls, and one is the uncondensed. Or it means this chromatin is of the two types. One is the euchromatin, second is the heterochromatin. Chromatin is the two types. One is the euchromatin, second is the heterochromatin. यूक्रोमेटिन आपका कैसा पार्ट है? अनकोइल्ड. और हेट्रोक्रोमेटिन कैसा पार्ट है? आपका कोइल्ड पार्ट है, एज शोन इन दिस डायग्राम. नाउ द न्यूक्लियस कंटेन also without membrane cell organelles behave like cell organelle. It is called nucleolus. और न्यूक्लियस इज द राइबोसोम फैक्ट्री, राइबोसोम फैक्ट्री जो राइबोसोम बनाने में रोल प्ले करता है और न्यूक्लियस। दिस इज द पोर present between the two membranes are continuous at a point, it is called nuclear pore. It results in the formation of a structure that is nucleus. In the animal cell, nucleus is the centrally placed. इसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? न्यूक्लियस। और ये it is the centrally placed in case of animal cell. The outer membrane of the nucleus is connected with three-dimensional structure with plasma membrane. This three-dimensional structure is called endoplasmic reticulum. It is called endoplasmic reticulum. Reticulum means network. The reticulum which is present with the outer membrane of nucleus, it bears granule-like structure. These granules-like structures result in the formation of rough endoplasmic reticulum. रफ ER, इसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम। When it lose the ribosomes, it result in the formation of when it lose the ribosomes, it result in the formation of smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough is due to the presence of ribosomes. It is called, that is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, यानी कि SER. In addition to this, there is also present this structure. It is a strap-like structure present. It is called Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus, जैसे गोल्जी क्या बोल देते हैं? बॉडीज। एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम ही गोल्जी apparatus की फॉर्मेशन करता है। एंड गोल्जी apparatus helping the formation of single membrane organelle which contains enzymes, or it is called lysosome. It is called lysosome. और लाइसोसोम में क्या प्रेजेंट है? एंजाइम्स। और ये एंजाइम्स आपके कैसे होते हैं? हाइड्रोलिटिक एंजाइम्स। In the animal cell, there are the various small vacuoles are present. They are the large in number. These are called vacuole. Vacuole is present in the plant or animal cell. Plant or animal cell vary due to the presence of the vacuole. Plant cell में vacuole large है, animal में क्या है? Small. Vacuole is a small and numerous. किस केस में? animal cell. In addition to this, the animal cell contain double membrane cell organelles, which is called mitochondria. It is called mitochondria. जो एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन होती है वो किसकी वजह से होती है? माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया। और ये क्या करता है? एनर्जी बनाने में हेल्प करता है। तो इसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? पावर हाउस ऑफ सेल। पावर हाउस ऑफ सेल, क्योंकि ये मेन साइट है किसकी? रेस्पिरेशन। प्लांट में नंबर ऑफ माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया आर लेस, बट इन एनिमल्स number of mitochondria are more. Near the nucleus, there is a cell organelle present which is only the characteristics of animal cell. Which is the characteristics of only animal cell. These are the rod-like structure which are perpendicular to each other, and it is surrounded by perinuclear material. Perinuclear, pericellular material. It is called centriole. This cell organelle is called centriole. The two which are perpendicular to each other, it is called centriole. Two centrioles then surrounded by the material, it form centrosome. Centrosome. It is present only in animal cell. यानी कि characteristics किसकी है? Animal cell. In addition to this, animal cell contain many fibrous rod-like structures like this. These are the solid, the structures. In addition to this, there is also hollow rod-like structures. One is the solid structure, second is the hollow structure. And these structures are, when these are hollow, it is called microtubule. When it is the solid, it is called microfilament. Both collectively form cytoskeleton. Both collectively form cytoskeleton. It gives the shape and provides mechanical support to a cell. माइक्रोट्यूब्यूल जो स्ट्रक्चर है वो कैसा होता है? होलो, made up of tubulin protein, and microfilament is solid and made up of actin protein. Microfilament is present in our muscles, smooth muscles, striated muscles. It helps in the locomotion. This plasma membrane at the some region also form the extensions. These extensions of the plasma membrane result in the formation of cilia and flagella. Cilia and flagella. These are the cell organelles which are present in the eukaryotic cell, that is the animal cell. In the animal cell, first structure cell, outermost boundary, it is called plasma membrane. The centrally placed nucleus, which is the master cell organelle, it is called the nucleus. Nucleus, in addition to nucleus, there are the third endoplasmic reticulum. And then there is the Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus then forms the lysosome. Sixth number include, that is the vacuole. Seventh, it contains mitochondria. When plasma membrane gives the extension, it results in the formation of cilia and flagella. Other structure include cytoskeleton, that is the microtubule or microfilament. This nuclear content, the dot-like structure which is present inner to plasma membrane in a cell, it is called cytoplasma. In animal cell, there is only one cell organelle which is different, which is not present in the other cell eukaryotic animal. It is called centriole. This is regarding about the various cell organelles present in the eukaryotic cell, that is in the animal cell.